Can I appeal a military courts-martial? Imagine facing a legal decision that could significantly impact your life and career. When it comes to military justice, understanding the options available after a courts-martial can be complex but crucial. Military courts-martial are judicial proceedings used to determine the guilt or innocence of members of the armed forces accused of violations of military law. These proceedings are governed by the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which provides specific procedures and rights for service members. After a courts-martial, the accused has the right to appeal certain aspects of the trial. The appeal process begins with a notice of appeal filed with the Military Appellate Authority. The first level of appeal is typically to the Services Court of Criminal Appeals, which reviews whether legal errors occurred during the trial that could have affected the outcome. These appeals focus on issues such as improper admission of evidence, incorrect jury instructions, or violations of constitutional rights. In addition to the Court of Criminal Appeals, there are further avenues for review. The United States Court of Appeals for the Armed Forces serves as the highest military appellate court, reviewing cases for errors of law and ensuring uniform application of military justice across all branches. Service members can petition for a review by this court if they believe their case involves significant legal questions or constitutional issues. It is important to note that not all decisions are subject to appeal. For example, some findings of fact made by the courts-martial panel are final unless there is a legal error that warrants correction. Also, the timing for filing an appeal is strict, often requiring notices within a specific number of days after sentencing. In some cases, a service member may seek post-conviction relief through petitions for clemency or petitions for a new trial, but these are separate from the formal appellate process. Overall, while there are opportunities to challenge a military courts-martial decision, the process is structured and requires adherence to strict procedural rules. Understanding these options can help ensure that service members' rights are protected and that justice is appropriately served.